In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend text in Canva posters so it looks naturally integrated with your background. Start by creating transparent text. Add your headline or phrase on the canvas, pick a font that suits your poster's mood, adjust size, weight, and letter spacing, and place it where you want it to appear. When ready, download the text as a PNG with a transparent background. This requires Canva Pro. Next, add your background image behind the text using the Arrange tool or sidebar layers. Resize and position both elements so the text aligns with a readable area, darker zones behind lighter text or vice versa. Now, begin blending. Select the text PNG, open Edit Image, and explore Effects. Duotone is ideal for recoloring the text to match the image. Adjust highlights and shadows to harmonize the text with the photo's tones. Small adjustments usually look more natural than dramatic changes. Crop or reposition the text if necessary to better integrate with the background. For a stronger effect, duplicate the text PNG. Keep the top layer crisp for readability and place a softened copy behind it, reducing its transparency to create a gentle halo that embeds the text further into the scene. You can also use Canva's Image Blender app to visually combine text and background, adjusting the blend strength for a seamless look. Throughout, check that contrast remains sufficient for legibility. Finally, preview your poster at 100% zoom to ensure the text feels cohesive with the background while staying readable. When satisfied, export your design and share a polished, professional poster that merges typography and imagery beautifully. This technique makes text appear as part of the image rather than sitting on top, adding depth and style to your Canva designs.